do to get that running. But first,
okay, tell me when you want me to go. Oh, great. Hey there, I'm Siva Aiken from Aiken, South Carolina. I'm an artist and I own this beautiful 1951 Willys pickup truck. Okay, tell me when you want me to go. Okay. Well, one of the things I do in Aiken is I do taxidermy. I do taxidermy on roadkill animals. I don't actually kill anything. There are a lot of roadkill animals around here, so earrings, necklaces, hats. This one's really old and decrepit, but it's a squirrel, half the squirrel on the front and back end on the back. Originally, it was actually holding a Pabst Blue Ribbon in one hand and a cigarette in the other, but the arms broke off. And then this is a little wood-fired. This is a Gary Dexter piece. It's he actually is a local artist, amazing potter that I happen to be apprenticing with right now, which is really exciting for me. At any rate, he digs his own clay, makes his own glazes, and wood fires in a groundhog kiln, so that's super, super fun. And then another thing that I do is just roadkill meat products, which are always a lot of fun. Oftentimes they're not actually made from the roadkill, but it's a lot of fun to watch people's reactions when they look into the truck and see a shelf full of roadkill meat product cans and whatnot. So my uncle had a pickup truck just like this when I was a little girl. He lived up in the hills of California, up in the Santa Cruz Mountains. He was a hermit up there, no running water, no electricity. And on every 4th of July, I would go up and visit. We'd go to the top of the mountain in the Willys. We'd pretty much go straight up. And we'd throw a twin mattress in the back of the truck, which fits perfectly because the bed is awesome that way. And he'd have a big basket of mango and papaya, starfruit, and kiwi. And we'd just sit in the bed of that truck and look out over the ocean and watch the fireworks on the 4th of July. It's really magical for me. And of course, I was really little and would sit on the bench seat and look down through the floorboards because of course they were rusted out, as they often do over time. And he would always say, "Siva, get your face out of the floorboards, you're gonna get an eye poked out." So I have great memories with my uncle. So then obviously I like pink. So everything tends to be pink and white. Of course, I've left a lot of stuff just totally natural. But yeah, has its own flavor. One of the reasons I painted my truck pink was because I was getting a lot of guys coming up to me saying, "Hey, you know, is that your dad's truck? Is that your boyfriend's truck?" And I was like, "No, it's my truck, damn it." So I painted it pink, and at this point nobody asks me if it's my dad's truck or a boyfriend's truck. So gay guys love it though. They adore it, they think it's great. So, it was my dream car, and about 14 years ago I found one finally, same year, and purchased it, and within 6 months had it running, and it's my daily driver. Absolutely love it. Willys are just amazing vehicles. Highly recommend it. And I'm glad to do it. Love Kaiser Willys Company.